Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can track your payments in money.com. So as you can see, I have my suppliers there and I track their payments by using this column. As you can see, now item 1 has been paid, item 2 has been paid, and item 3's payment is in pending. So if item 3 is paid, let's suppose all I have to do is to click here and mark it as paid. So, or if item 2's payment is not paid, I can mark it as not paid. So this is how I track my payments on money.com. Now how you can set up a column like that is very simple. All you have to do is to add a new column and label select label, and then click on the first row of this column, and click on label 1. Actually, you can press edit labels, and you can name it anything like, wait a minute, let me name it paid. And for label 2 I want to say not paid. Wait a minute. And then for label 3 I want to say pending. Perfect. Now what I can do is, for paid I can add color. I want to add green color to paid. I can add green color. For not paid I can add red color, but you can choose any color. I'm gonna pick this orange one or this red one. And for pending I am going to add yellow color. So now I have to do is to press this apply button, and that's it. I have successfully created my labels. Now for example, item 1 is paid. I can select this and I can use paid label, so I know that this is paid. Item 2 is not paid, so press here and select this one. Now it is marked as not paid. Item 3 is not paid, mark it as not paid. Now once item 2 or item 3 is paid, all you have to do, come here, click on it and mark it as paid, so this way you can manage your payments in money.com. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.